Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with David in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice good peanut butter pancake. Very delicious and very easy to make. Follow along with me and I'll show you exactly how I did it. I want a cup and a half of flour, all-purpose flour. We want 6 tablespoons of sugar. We want 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay. 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. 1 1/4 cups of milk. We want half a teaspoon of almond extract. We want 1/4 cup of peanut butter. 1/4 of a cup. Cinnamon. Okay, we'll try this again. Okay, we're going to add in 2 large eggs, and then we're going to now we'll just like that. Kind of not zoom down so much like that. Like that. Perfect. It's about time to flip this one over here. And when it bubbles, when you see a whole bunch of bubbles on top starting to form around, that's when it's time to flip it. I'll show you what I'm talking about in a few seconds. Right here. Look at that. Look at that beautiful color. Boy, that's a beautiful color. I love it when it gets that color right there. Perfect. It's not too brown, not burnt, just a little bit brown, a little bit. Beautiful pancake right there. And it would not be complete without a good scoop of whipped cream to go on top of it. How about 2 scoops? How's that? Perfect. Anyways, I want to appreciate you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I promise you these are very delicious peanut butter. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. And hit that bell so you don't miss a notification next video comes out. Y'all have a blessed day.